Hey again, it's Dan from FixYourGPS.com. Here we have a Garmin 310 XT with a damaged LCD. So first you have to pry off the cover and replace the LCD on this, which is really easy. So this is going to be a short video. Really easy if you have all the tools, that is. These are stuck down on the motherboard. A little two-sided tape. And there's a little clip right here you gotta flip open. And remove the LCD. Take the new one. Dust it off. It's a little tricky. New one in. You want to be real careful you don't overflex these on the 310s. These are the only LCDs that or Garmin's that I've had to do this, but if you flex this too much, it cracks. And then you just throw the LCD in the trash. And they're worth like 50 bucks. I can get 40 or 50 bucks for those displays on eBay. So anyway, slip it under there like that and pop it closed. Looks a little crooked, so we better try again. You see that white guide there? You want to get it in there nice and straight and kind of wiggle it back and forth till it seats, and then pop that little black latch closed here. That's good. Put it in there. Shut it off. Wait for it to turn off. And there you go. New LCD. Anyway, thanks for looking.